The workers' union is officially on strike.
Yeah, and for the first time in history, the workers are striking against all big three automakers all at one time. So on your side, Susan is here, and to explain how this could impact, maybe if you're out there shopping for a new car.
Yeah, could it impact car shoppers? Could it impact car owners who maybe need some repairs? Those are a lot of the questions that people have right now. And the answer is, we'll see. It really could. So thousands of workers walked off the job. According to the United Auto Workers Union, right now, 3 factories are being targeted in the strike. A GM assembly plant in Missouri, a Ford plant in Michigan, a Stellantis complex in Ohio. Now, this is the first time the union is striking at all 3 companies at the same time. The union's 146,000 members and the big 3 failed to reach a new labor agreement by last night's 11:59 p.m. deadline. The union wants a 40% pay raise, a 4-day work week, and a pension plan. Stan Mirzayev is the founder of the Parts Pass and an auto industry insider. He says the UAW strike could affect people who are car shopping and people who own newer vehicles who want to get them serviced at dealerships.
And if they can't have the parts ready or the fluids ready to service these vehicles, everything, the whole industry comes to a halt. And that's a huge problem for people to have.
Inventory is another really important part of this story. So according to Cox Automotive, there are more than 2 million new unsold vehicles in the U.S. right now. That's the highest it's been since April of 2021. Overall, it means there's a 58-day supply of new vehicles. 60 is considered ideal. But the numbers across manufacturers vary. For example, at the start of September, Cadillac had the lowest inventory among domestic brands with a 46-day supply. Chevy has a 52-day supply, Jeep has a 95-day supply, and Ram is at 115 days. And even without a strike, several plants have had pretty down weeks in production, according to Cox Automotive, because of various parts shortages.